Hello, good day everyone and welcome again to another video lecture sa algebra tutorial. So, this time, continue tag another 3 examples simplifying complex fractions. So first, we have A here. So we are asked to simplify, okay, the division 2 over x plus y divided by 8 over x minus y. So basically, kuan lang ni siya. Kanang division lang ni siya sa duha ka fraction, no? Okay, so ang numerator is isa lang ka fraction ng involved, while sa denominator is isa lang pod ka fraction ng involved. So mas simpler ni siya. So basically ang buhaton lang nato is pwede na to gamiton tong methods nga na kuha na to, nakita na to last time sa complex fractions, no? So atong buhaton ron is makita ta sa LCD. So find the LCD of the fraction 2 over x plus y and 8 over x minus y. So prime factorization sa ta. Ang first na to nga i-prime factor or i-write as or i-rewrite as product of its prime factors kay ang denominator nga x plus y, no? Pero ang x plus y is already linear kay ang exponent ng x of y are the same one. So that is still x plus y. Similar po na siya sa x minus y. Okay? So therefore, ang ato ang LCD diri ang case is of course kaning x plus y. Wala may x plus y dira sa pikas. So we should put x plus y there. And then, nahuman na ang factor diri sa first denominator. We now move to the factor sa ato ang second denominator, which is x minus y. And therefore, ang ato ang LCD kay x plus y times x minus y. So then, we write 2 over x plus y into its equivalent fraction, no? Ang iyang equivalent fraction is LCD divided by LCD, that is x plus y times x minus y all over x plus y times x minus y times katong ato ang numerator, which is 2 over x plus y all over 8 all over x minus y. Okay? Nagamay ang open and close parenthesis. It should be the same size ato ang numerator. Okay? And then, after that one, atong i-multiply ning x plus y times x minus y sa ato ang numerator. So, mag-factor out or ma-cancel out ang x plus y. So, ang mabili na is 2 times x minus y all over kaning sa baba, no? I-multiply na to na ma-cancel out ang x minus y. Ang mabili na lang kay 8 times x plus y. Okay? And then, common ang 2 between 2 ug 8. So, that now reduces into x minus y all over 4 times x plus y. Okay? And that is method 1. Now, if we want to do method 2, ang nakapait sa method 2 ani kay dili na magamit ang method 2 ani, no? Kay kuha namang good kanang ang ato ang numerator o denominator ang na-involved na fractions kay tinag-isa lang man. So we can just do the usual division na lang. Okay? So we have 2 over x plus y all over 8 over x minus y. That one can be written as 2 over x plus y divided by 8 over x minus y, and then basta division, reciprocal din multiply. So times x minus y all over 8, and then factor out ang common nga 2 sa numerator nga 2 ug sa denominator nga 8. So may mo lang na siya og x minus y all over 4 times x plus y. Okay? So any method will work. Katong usual nga division or katong method 1 sa pag-solve og complex fractions. Okay, so asay tan-awon ninyo nga mas dali, then you choose. Okay, whatever you want. Okay. Next example, kani medyo complicated, so we need to use katunang method 1 or method 2. So this is problem B, no? So we will demonstrate again method 1. So we need to find the LCD of the fraction s minus t all over s plus t all over t, s minus t all over t, and s plus t all over s. Kani, klaro na kaayo by inspection, klaro na kaayo nga ang denominator, ang LCD ani is s times t, no? So, kamo na'y bahala na. Of course, ang LCD ani is s times t. Then, ato na siyang i-rewrite into its equivalent fraction. Ang kaning ato ang original problem, no? Okay, that is the same as LCD divided by the LCD. Okay, multiply na to na siya sa ato ang numerator. Similarly, ang LCD kay multiply po na to sa ato ang denominator. Okay, and then distribute, simplify. So, i-distribute mo ning s t diri sa to kada term sa to ang numerator, so mabilin diri is t na lang, no? So naa kay t times s minus t, while dira sa ibabaw matanggal ang t, mabilin is s, and that is s times s plus t all over, no? Kaya na pong denominator, imong multiply diri sa kada term sa denominator. Sa t tanggal ang t, so may monig s times s minus t plus, of course, matanggal ang s, t na lang mabilin. So, t times s plus t. Then, we simplify. So, we simplify, may monig st, meaning simplify, distribute sa tanang kutog na ma-distribute. Minus t squared minus s squared, no? S squared minus st all over naatay s. Okay. Anong s minus, anong t minus t man na, may mo na siya 0. So, that is a mistake, no? It should be s minus t. So, may mo na siya og s squared minus st plus st plus t squared. So, we simplify, ang ma-cancel, cancel. So, cancel out ang st, cancel out po diri So, mabilin diri sa ibaw is minus, no? Minus t squared minus s squared divided by s squared, sige, para consistency, t squared plus s squared. Okay? But then, you can factor out the negative sa ibabaw. So, negative, may mo na siya o t squared plus s squared all over kay t squared plus s squared. Of course, you can cancel out the common factors. So, ang mabili na to dra is negative 1. So, the solution in fact is negative 1. Or the answer is negative 1. Okay? Wait lang, kay naglag ang akwang laptop. Lag. Okay, this is 3.11k. Let me check. Yes. So we now move to method 2, no? Sa method 2, katong na-discuss na last time, medyo complicated ang method 2 and then it is prone to mistakes. So anyway, ato na siyang i-try o solve gamit ang method 2. So, method 2. Simplify na to ang numerator o denominator isa-isa. So, natay s minus t all over s minus s plus t all over t all over s minus t all over t plus s plus t all over s. So, simplify na to ang numerator. Basically, ang LCD sa numerator is same lang, s times t. So, s times t. S times t divided by s, that is t. And that is now t times s minus t. Okay? Minus st divided by t, that is s. So, natay s times s plus s plus t. Okay, sa denominator na to, that is basically design mga to ang LCD is st. Pero st divided by t, that is s. So may muna siya og s times s minus t plus st divided by s, that is t. No, so that is t times s plus t. And then we do the simplification. So either i-simplify sa nato na siya or atong ibahaton na ang division. You can do whatever you want, no, as long as it's legal. Okay, so you have st minus t squared minus s squared minus st all over s times t all over, we simplify again, we have s squared minus st plus st plus t squared all over st, no? And then we can simplify. So simplify, tanggal ang st sa ibabaw, tanggal po ng st dito sa ubos, and then we rewrite to avoid committing mistakes. So I have minus t squared minus here, ganun na, no, squared should not be cancelled out, but the st, okay, there we have s squared all over st all over s squared plus t squared all over st, right? And then you can factor out -1, so we have t squared plus s squared all over st times reciprocal st all over s squared plus t squared, no? Cancel out ang common factors, so st o kaning t squared plus s squared plus t squared, so we are left with -1. Okay, so the solution are the same, so you can choose any method you like. Okay, so our last example, so the last example here kay kani we have usaha na to ni siya. Okay, I will just use method 1. Okay, so find the LCD of the fractions 3p over 7, q over 14, 3p over 28, and q over 2. Okay, so prime factorization sa ta. Of course, ang 7, that is already a prime number, so we just write 7 is equal to 7. But 14 though, that is equal to 2 times 7. And 28, no, I don't know about 28. Maybe 28 is divisible by 7. Of course, you can verify that one by dividing 28 divided by 7. The result is 4. So 28 is in fact 4 times 7, or 2 squared times 7. And 2 is already a prime number, so that is 2. No? So the LCD now is, we look at here, we have 7, we have 7, we have 7, so we put 7. Then, wala na i-factor diri as a first, pero sa second na ay 2. Diri as a third is na atay 2 squared, diri as a fourth na atay 2. So pinakadakong exponent is 2. So we should put 2 there, or 2 squared. Okay? 2 squared. And therefore, ang ato ang LCD, that is 4 times 7 or 28. Okay, and in fact, that is obvious, no? Kung tanaw ni mo ni diretso by inspection, kabalo na ka nga ang LCD is 28. Kaya kana sila tanan divisible by 2 o divisible by 7. So, then, we have 3p all over 7 plus q all over 14 divided by 3p over 28 minus q over 2. Then, ato ang LCD, 28 times 28 times 3p over 7 plus q over 14 divided by, that is now 3p over 20 minus q over 2. Then, atong i-distribute ng 28, no? Pag-distribute naman ng 28, mahimo na siya og 12. 12p plus 14 may mo ni siya og 2q all over kanay diri 28 man siguro ning kauban sa 3p. Yes, so may mo na lang ni siya og 3p plus that this is now equal to 14q, no? Pero sa ila kay common diri sa ibabaw ang 2, no? So we can factor out 2 maybe. So if we factor out 2, natay makuha dra ang 6p plus q. Pero sa baba kay wala na kita makuha na 3p plus 14q. And maybe muna na siya ang atuang answer. I don't know. Is that our answer now? 3.11 and yes, that is the answer. No, prime na siya. Okay, so that is method 1. Sa method 2 is of course isa-isaw na to nag-LCD. Okay, so that is for method 1. Okay, so we now demonstrate solving the problem using method 2. So method 2, atong i-rewrite ang atuang problem again. So ito atuang problem. That was L. Okay, so the problem was 3p over 7 plus q over 14 divided by 3p over 28 minus q over 2. Ang LCD diri sa ibabaw is clearly 14, so we put 14. 14 divided by 7, that is 2, so may mo na siya 6p. And then 14 divided by 14 times q is of course q na lang, no? Diri sa baba, obviously, ang LCD na to dira is 28. So may mo na siya og 3p minus 14q. Okay? Then we simplify. So, pag simplify na to, may mo na siya og 6p plus q over 14 times ang reciprocal 28 over 3p minus 14q. And of course, ang 28 divided by 14 is 2. So, may mo na siya og 2 times 6p plus q all over 3p minus 14q. Okay? So that is the solution for 3.11. Okay, there is a textbook na siya, which is the same sa result sa method 1. Okay, so basically you have two methods now. You can use either method 1 or method 2. Same. Mangita na lang ka og asa diri sa method ang mas paspas. So usually pag numbers lang ang involved o dili complicated ang ipangkuhaan mo LCD, you can just use method 2 directly. Pero kung complicated ganyan ang problem, no, better use method 1 para dili ka malipat. Okay, so that's the end of the video. See you on the next lecture.